Using math blocks. In MakeCode Arcade, math blocks are used to perform various mathematical operations and computations in your games and projects like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. The following table shows different math blocks. Block. Name. Description. Addition. Return the sum of the two numbers. Subtraction. Return the difference of the two numbers. Multiplication. Return the product of the two numbers. Division. Return the quotient of the two numbers. Remainder of. Return the remainder after performing the division operation. Min. Return the minimum between two numbers. Max. Return the maximum between two numbers. Absolute of. Return the absolute value of a number. Square root. Return the square root of a number. Round. Round of a number to the nearest whole number. Pick random. Generate random numbers within a specified range. Let us create a simple project to perform the sum of two numbers. Follow the given steps to do so. 1. Create two variables named num1 and num2. 2. Drag the set2 block and drop it inside the onStart block. 3. Click on the down arrow of the set2 block. 4. Select the num1 variable. 5. Type 10 in the value box of the set2 block for the num1 variable. 6. Drag the set2 block again and drop it below the earlier set2 block. 7. Type 20 in the value box of the set2 block for the num2 variable. 8. Drag the splash block from the game category and drop it below the second set2 block. 9. Click on the math blocks category. 10. Drag the addition block and drop it into the message area of the splash block. 11. Click on the variables blocks category. 12. Drag the num1 block and drop it into the left value box of the addition block. 13. Drag the num2 block and drop it into the right value box of the addition block. The output appears on the game simulator. Similarly, we can use other math blocks.